is Ritu Agarwal. I'm working right now with the Kolar Power India Private Limited. So there I'm working as a in-house counsel, and my current qualification is I'm a lawyer. By profession, I had done my company secretary, and I'm working as a company secretary and an in-house counsel. So currently in my current organization, I'm handling a big profile where I'm handling a big chunk of litigation cases and contracting secretarial profile. So it was a kind of general counsel role. But when I was handling the litigation, I think there's a lot of concept issue which I was facing. So we all have studied everything in the law colleges, but somehow the practical experience which we actually get through working or through working in a firm, law firm somewhere. So I think it was missing at my part, and sometime when I need to coordinate with the lawyers. So I really have to. I am really a lot of dependent a lot of time on the different other lawyers. Who are handling our case. So I always wanted to have a better understanding of the case, so that whenever I'm handling the case with the other lawyers, I am very clear about the concept. I am very clear about the procedure, process, drafting, because it's really important that you should also know all the know-how of the drafting in case you're handling any litigation thing. So when actually that's actually I was looking something on my on the internet, how I can improve my skills for the litigation profile. So I just came through about the LawSikho. I discussed with my lot of friends that how about the course, how it is. So a lot of friends actually gave me a very positive feedback about this course. So I thought to join this course. And this course has really given me a lot of insight about how actually the things works in the court, and how to bring the clarity in the concept which is related to the litigation, because sometimes we know what the pleading is, we know what the written statement is, but what are the intricacies and how we need to draft it. It's really important to understand that also from the perspective of having it filed in the court. So I really learned a lot of concepts from the LawSikho, and in fact, when I submitted my assignments, I got a very positive I actually got a lot of feedback, which actually helped me to improve my drafting and my knowledge per se. Regarding that litigation profile. Earlier, when I was looking at the any other litigation case, I used to look at from the perspective of the law. Though I used to look at that, but it was core a bookish knowledge. Sometimes I just have to go through the entire particular section, and again, as I told, I have to be dependent on the lawyers to sometimes regarding the interpretation, sometimes going deep down about that particular case. But now, when any case comes up in front of me, I can actually relate to the study which actually LawSikho gave me, and to the knowledge which I have acquired. And now I can understand the case in a better way. And in fact, I can guide my management also without having without taking the support from the outside. So, that's the difference which I felt after I joined the course from the LawSikho. I don't think so that I'm not getting any support from LawSikho. It was a brilliant support which they are providing to the students. In fact, it's not like they have just taken the money and they are not providing you the adequate knowledge. I really see that it's a blend of knowledge and perfection which we are giving to the students. And I really thumbs up to the LawSikho team, and I really believe they are doing a very good job. And this is a very unique course because you don't find such kind of courses very frequently. So I really kudos to the entire LawSikho team.